Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the prime factorization of 1881. Do note that I have written down the first few prime numbers for our easy reference, okay? In this method, I'm going to use the ladder method. So 1881, I'm going to see whether, we cannot divide by 2, so I move on to check 3. And yes, it can be divided by 3 to give me 627. I continue to divide by 3, and that will give me 209. And I start 209 cannot be divided by 3, so I continue to move on. 5 cannot, 7 cannot. As I continue to throw and throw, I realize that 209 can be divided by 11 to give me 19. And 19 is a prime number. So eventually I will have these 4 prime numbers. And so the answer 1881 is equals to 3 power 2 times 11 times 19. We have come to the end of this video. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.